Hello everyone, my name is Austin from Maserati Acura, and today I'll be showing you guys a tutorial on how to use your heated seats in your 2017 Maserati Ghibli. So, in order to access this feature, we must first go to the center console. And once we get to the center console, what you're going to do is you're going to click on this third button right here, Controls. And it's going to give you an option to either one, use your heated seats for the driver's side and the passenger side as well. And you also have a screen off option in the middle. So in order to use this feature, first you're going to click on it on the driver's side if you would like, and it's going to go to the high setting. Click on it again, it's going to click on the lowest setting, click on it again, and it's going to turn off for you. Same goes on the passenger side. Click on it for high, click on it again for low, and click on it again for turning it off. And yeah, that's pretty easy and quick tutorial for this 2017 Maserati Ghibli. And my name is Austin from Maserati Acura, and thank you guys for watching.